This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video. Okay, so your antenna, charging cable, they recommend charging this up before you connect it. Even though they have solar panels on here, they just recommend you charge it up. You know, some people do, some people don't ahead of time. But yeah, this is the unit itself. Here's your cam. You can tilt it to scan the code. Also put your TF card inside here. Make sure you peel off the plastic from the lens. Some people forget to do that. And then there's also another piece of plastic. I've seen people forget to do this and then it bakes in and then it's pretty much impossible to get off. But yeah, here's your solar panels. On the back, you have your connectors. To lift this up, you just pop that open, place the seed down inside.